Wait. Bro Untung, will you start it? Silakan Bro Untung.
Itu member grupnya ada foto, ada gambarnya.
Mana Bro Untung?
Paling depan itu pasti SPV itu.
Harusnya Bro Untung ini. Gimana nih Bro? Kok Bro Untung kemana sih? Bro,
Ada di sini,
ada Bro
tapi
Untung
kayaknya
ada.
lagi error sinyalnya. Jadi
Oh,
ada. Dilanjutkan saja, Sis. Yuk.
oh ada masalah suaranya.
Ada masalah. Oke, Bro.
Oke, it's okay Bro. Okay, everyone, good evening. We are group 1. Will apa ya? Will reading about the diversity of Indonesian culture. Kalimantan culture. Indonesian culture could be incredibly diverse, with each region and tribe showcasing unique tradition. For example, the people of Kalimantan could practice customs of politeness and ethnic in their daily life. They were able to pass down this value from generation to generation. Over time, they have preserved these ethical principles. If I were part of Kalimantan culture, I would strive to uphold this custom. Sundanese culture. Similarly, the Sundanese people could trace their rich culture back to ancient time, and it could be said that their traditions are deeply rooted in respect for nature and community. In the past, they were able to maintain their cultural identity through art, music, and traditional practices like wayang golek, puppet shows, and kuda horse performances. Their culture also emphasizes the importance of family bonds and harmony within the community. If I were part of Sundanese culture, I would feel proud to carry on this beautiful tradition and contribute to preserving their values. Go ahead, Sis Aulia.
Nusa Tenggara culture. Nusa Tenggara, which include islands like Sumbawa, Sumba, and Flores, could be described as a region of immense cultural diversity. Each island showcases distinct traditional, such as the traditional weaving of ikat, which is famous in Sumba. The people of Sumba Tenggara could preserve their unique language and rituals despite outside influence. In the past, they were known for their elaborate ceremonies, including the Pasola Festival, which celebrates the harvest and involves traditional horseback battle. If I were part of Nusa Tenggara culture, I would deeply appreciate the harmonious relationship they maintain with nature and their rich artistic expression.
And go ahead, Sis. Sis Aulia. Please.
Simalungun, I see.
Bro Nick doesn't come.
Simalungun.
Ini
Go ahead,
baca lagi
Sis
ya.
Aulia. Ya.
Okay. Simalungun
Thank you.
culture. Simalungun culture in North Sumatra could also be rich, especially in music. One famous song, Ilal Bolon or Deideng, was created decades ago. This song has become a favorite at gatherings. The Simalungun people could express their cultural identity through their music and dance. If I were part of Simalungun culture, I would cherish the deep connection they have with their artistic traditional.
Sis Rosalia.
Okay, the next, Balinese culture. Balinese culture could be described as vibrant and colorful, known for its ceremonies and rituals. The Balinese people call Saukas their... ini gimana? Ntar ada masalah.
Turn on your camera.
Oke. Ulangin.
Please turn on your camera ya.
Balinese culture could be described as vibrant and colorful, known for its ceremonies and rituals. The Balinese people could showcase their artistry through elaborate offerings and traditional performance. They were able to retain their customs, which are deeply intertwined with their Hindu beliefs. If I were part of Balinese culture, I would embrace the spiritual connection that their tradition provide. Okay, the next.
Okay, the last one is Betawi culture. Finally, the Betawi culture in Jakarta reflects the blending of various influences, including Japanese, Chinese, and Arabic. The Betawi people can be recognized by their unique traditional clothing and culinary delight. They were able to preserve their cultural identity through traditional performance and festivals. If I were part of Betawi culture, I would celebrate the rich diversity that shapes the community. So the last one is conclusion or fun fact about Indonesia. Through this diverse culture, we could see how traditional values intertwine. I'm so sorry. Creating a vibrant tapestry that define Indonesian identity. Each culture contributes to a broader understanding of what it means to belong. So that's end of our presentation. Thank you very much and good night.
Thank you, everyone.
Very nice.
Okay, Sis Vivi,
Yes, bro.
please not stop share. Please do not
Wait.
stop share. Ya, masih share screen ya. Okay, Bro Gani, you can turn off your camera. You can listen to us because you are driving ya. Safety is number one. Okay, Sis Vivi, please scroll up.
Yes, bro.
Okay, so I'm curious why when all of you pronounce the word budaya, culture, that's Indonesian culture.
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 Not
Culture.
culture. Culture. Karena T ketemu U di bahasa Inggris itu dibacanya C.
Culture.
Culture.
Kalau D sama U di bahasa Inggris itu dibunyinya J. Makanya kalau ada Dua Lipa itu bukan Dua Lipa, Dua Lipa.
Dua Lipa.
Oh, okay.
Dua Lipa.
Culture.
Culture.
Good.
And then diverse ya, diverse
Diversity.
identity. Itu juga identity. Oke. Paragraf pertama yang mana, sis? Kalimantan ini bukan?
Yes, it is.
Okay. The Indonesian culture could be incredibly diverse with
Each
Okay.
region and tribe
Kalimantan
showcasing
could
unique
be
tradition.
customs of like Okay, values from generation to over time, they have preserved these ethical principles. If I were part of Kalimantan culture, I would strive to uphold this custom. Oke, ini nggak ada masalah.
Okay, next.
Sundanese. Okay. Okay, similarly, Sundanese people could trace their rich culture back to
Ancient time.
Okay, their to ancient times, and it could be said that their traditions are deeply rooted in respect. Nah, ini kenapa rooted in respect? Respect di sini sebagai kata kerja apa sebagai noun?
Yang mana?
Respect in respect for nature and community.
Nature.
Deeply rooted.
Nature.
No, bukan
Respect.
nature. Concern saya tentang respect di situ sebagai verb atau
Respect
noun.
itu kayak menghargai lebih gitu, bro.
Ya, jadi verb ya.
Ya.
Oke, karena itu ada preposition itu respecting.
Respecting.
Aha, bukan respect.
Oh, kurang ing ya?
Iya. Karena preposition sebelumnya. Oke. In the past, they were able.
Jadi ciran.
Ya, dan karena preposition. In the past, they were able to maintain their cultural identity through art, music, traditional practices like wayang golek, puppet shows, and
Kudaringgo, for
their
Sumedang.
culture emphasizes the importance of family bonds and harmony within the community. If I were part of Sundanese culture, I would feel proud. Okay, to carry on these beautiful traditions and contribute to preserving their culture, their values. Oke, yang ini cuma itu doang. Selanjutnya, next please.
Yes, Nusa Tenggara.
Ya, aduh, masih. Oke, still loading in my screen. Oke, Nusa Tenggara, which includes islands. Oke, ini sebenarnya bisa diganti suches ya. Like di situ bisa diganti suches karena di Jawa.
Oh, di sini ya?
Which
Ini ya?
includes island. Enggak. Di suches di ignore.
Like Sumbawa.
Like-nya di ignore. Itu
No,
dihapus
ini
aja.
ya?
Ya, itu diganti suches. Diganti suches.
Oke.
Kok nggak ada warna? Oke. Sumbawa, bla bla bla. Oke. Described as a region of immense. Okay. Diversity. Each island showcases distinct traditions, such as the traditional America, which famous in Sumba. The people of Nusa Tenggara could. Oke, kok ini jadi could? Kenapa nggak can aja? Yang the people of Nusa Tenggara.
The people. Oh, ini. This is?
Of Nusa Tenggara. Ya, itu ganti can aja.
Oke. I will highlight first ya, bro.
Aja nanti editnya nanti.
Ya, oke. Ini can, ini such as ya, oke. I'll write it in.
They were known. Oke, known kata. Kalau nggak salah, noun itu for apa with ya, preposisinya. Oke, wait, the elaborate ceremonies including pasola. Oke, kenapa pas jadi tiba-tiba jadi present tense? Gak konsisten itu. They were bla bla bla, including bla bla bla, which celebrates. Kenapa itu jadi present tense?
We celebrate the
Ya, itu
harvest
salah.
and
Itu harus, itu harus
yang
jadi
ini
past tense. Aha, itu harus jadi past tense.
harusnya celebrate.
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 Celebrated, itu salah.
Oh ya.
Oh,
The harvest and involves juga salah.
Involved harusnya ya.
Harus past tense juga.
Transport. Tulisan.
Oke.
Agak loading ya.
Oh.
Additional horseback battles. Okay, if I were a part of them, I would appreciate the harmonious relationship. Okay, next paragraph.
Simalungun.
Simalungun. Simalungun.
Mantra could also be rich, especially. Kenapa could lagi? Kan bisa ganti can ini. Oke, dibaca ulang ya. Penggunaan could gimana, penggunaan can gimana.
Oke.
One famous song, Baron, was created. It has become a favorite at gatherings. Well, could express. Kenapa could lagi? Bisa ganti can. Akan cari proporsi.
Biar sopan.
Enggak itu ya, enggak maksudnya enggak berhubungan sama masa lalu juga ya, Bro.
Ya, ini kan ngomongin fakta toh sebenarnya. Kalau ngomongin fakta kita tuh harusnya pakai present.
Present ya.
Kecuali historinya. Ya, history dari itu.
Oke.
Yang di paragraf ini ngomongin fakta.
Oke.
Kalau fakta itu pakai present tense ya,
Siap.
teman-teman. Nggak pakai past tense.
Oke.
Kecuali kita ngomongin tentang sejarah.
Mhm.
Check to the deep connection. Oke, selanjutnya. Next paragraph. Balinese culture could. Oke, kenapa nggak can be?
Kalau can be di sininya bukan pakai verb 3.
Tetap pakai verb 3. Tetap pakai verb 3.
Oh, tetap ya. Ini can berarti ya. Oke. Note.
As a vibrant weather known is for the Balinese people could. So, oke, itu could-nya diganti Balinese people can showcase their artists.
This is can. Can
Ya,
ya.
can.
Oke.
They were able to. Oke, ini maksudnya gimana ya? They were able to retain their custom which are deeply intertwined with their Hindu beliefs.
Percayaan.
Ya, kenapa nggak diganti, nggak present tense saja? They were. They are able to.
They are.
Okay,
we will correction. Okay. And then?
If I were part of Balinese, I would. Okay. Selanjutnya. Next part.
Betawi culture.
Culture.
In Jakarta reflects the blending of various influences, including the Nah, yang ini nih bagus nih, the Betawi people can be recognized. Nah, itu baru benar tuh. Nah, tapi kenapa they were... Oke, ini kan ngomongin fakta ya. They were able to preserve their culture and true, bla bla bla. Kenapa jadi past tense? Past tense nggak digunain untuk ngomongin fakta ya. They are able. Oke, selanjutnya. Terakhir tadi. Through these diverse cultures, we could see how tradition and values intertwine, creating a vibe that defines Indonesian. What contributes to broader understanding of what it means to belong. Oke, itu aja. Good. Thank you very much for group 1.
Thank you
Okay, you can share.
for the correction, Bro Rofik.
Yeah. Now your turn, group 2. Grup 2 kemarin siapa?
Group 2, Mami Eci, Sari, and Siska ya. Maybe Sari yang ini.
Share screen, yuk.
Yeah. We did not think to make a presentation.
Di share screen.
Okay. Yeah. Hello, Sari. Sari.
Halo,
Yeah.
please wait a moment ya.
Yeah, okay.
Grup 2 mohon hidupkan kamera semua ya.
Oh my God, I can't. I'm sorry. Sorry, I'm very, very sorry, bro.
Oh,
Well,
Yeah.
save copy.
I'm not ready.
Bro Evan, why you close?
No, I cannot hold my phone because my hand is injured.
Oh,
Oh, okay.
what
Okay.
happened, Bro?
So when I go to my basketball lesson, my motorcycle is slip away, so I fell to the ground.
Oh my
I'm
Oh,
so
you are
sorry.
injured.
Get help.
Okay,
Close.
share.
That's scary. Okay,
We
mana
need,
ini?
yes, we need time. We need time. I have no laptop at home, bro.
Ini
It's okay.
cangkeman.
Yeah.
Ini
And
share-nya
my
gimana
laptop
ya?
is-
Di share
Share
aja
aja
di yang
ke
warna
yang-
hijau, di warna hijau, klik
bagikan.
buka dulu filenya, baru klik share screen di Zoom.
Ini filenya udah aku buka. And then
Boleh saya bantu nggak, Bro Rofik, biar cepet kirim di WA?
Ya.
Oke.
Kirim di WA aja. Ya, because grup 3 menunggu ya.
Iya, grup 3 punya kesempatan bikin PPT dulu. Si Sari,
Yes.
can you send your file to me via WA?
Aduh, salah nge-share. Ini di mana lagi? Di WA grup ya, sis.
WA
Maaf.
group, oke.
Iya.
WA group, okay. I will open it. Yes, the culture. Our culture ya.
Yes.
Okay. This is your
Thank you. Thank you, Miss
presentation.
Vivi. Thank you, Miss Vivi,
You're
your help for
welcome.
help.
I'm sorry.
Okay, you can see my share screen.
It is usually performed
Yes.
specific.
Okay, go ahead, please.
Yes. Thank you. Thank you, Miss Vivi. You help
welcome,
us.
Mami.
Yeah.
Iya.
Okay. The next, okay. Thank you. Good evening, everyone. Firstly, we don't know. We did not know that we should make a presentation like this, but this suddenly we changed the slide. Okay. This is also about the culture. Yes, there is so many diversity in Indonesia from the clans, tribes, and customs. Our group consists of different tribes. Me and Bro Evan are Bataknes, Sis Cindy, Minangnes, Sis Sari is Japanese, and Sis Siska is a descendant of China's. Yeah, we have seen that the diversity in our group is very beautiful, and we can help each other when needed. Okay, next. Next. Next, yeah. Okay.
Okay, in our group, Mami Eci
Yes,
and
yeah, okay.
okay,
Mm-mm.
I continue, Mami.
Yeah, go on.
Okay, in our group, Mami Eci and Bro Evans are Bataknis. They don't like their tradition is only at the traditional marriage ceremonies because it usually takes up to 3 hours to finish the custom ceremony. Okay, next.
And Cindy from the Minangese tribes is known for her famous food like rendang, sate padang, and ikan asam padeh. Sari from Indramayu is Java, has a traditional dance called the mask dance or tari topeng, which is usually performed at specific events.
Okay. Lastly, Siska, who is of a Chinese descent, celebrates Moni traditional each year, such as Imlek, Cap Gome, the Mooncake Festival, and the Lantern Festival. We are different, but we always help to support each other. Okay.
As a group, we will be able to become kind people. If we were to have a lot of money, we could introduce our culture in many ways. In reality, we love each other, which is something many people do not have. We are proud of our tribes in every situation. And if we had the opportunity to travel, we would have visit each other's hometowns to learn more about our cultures. That's all from
That's
our
all.
group.
Thank
Let's
you.
keep supporting one another and celebrating our diversity. Thank you for listening.
Okay, please go to the previous slide. Okay, there is so many diversity in Indonesia.
Yeah.
Many diversity. Is many diversity. Ya, apa yang salah kira-kira?
Should be there is so much diversity.
So much.
Cities ya, cities.
There are many
There are.
diversities.
Cities.
There is.
There are many there are so many
There,
diversities.
Diversity in Indonesia. So it's like a plural.
There,
but the verb is there is, not there are.
Pardon?
the right one.
The right one is there are.
Yeah, there are many cities. Okay. Yeah.
Okay.
I'm not
because
accurately.
okay, because you mentioned many, and then diversity, yeah, must be plural, diversities, and then to be there, must be are. It should be are, not they.
There are many diversities. There are many diversities.
There are so many diversity.
There are many diversities.
Yeah, you don't need to repeat that. You don't need to repeat. Just remember it. Okay. Our group. Our group consists of different types. Mamici, Bataknis, Indis, Minangese, Aris, Javanese, Chinese. We have seen that the diversity in the group. Okay. Okay. What What do you mean by this one? We have seen that the diversity in our group is very beautiful, and we can help each other when needed. What do you mean by that? Maksudnya gimana? Kita paham kalau perbedaan atau keberagaman dalam grup kita itu ya indah, dan kita membantu satu sama lain ketika dibutuhkan. What is the correlation?
Maksudnya walaupun kita berbeda-beda, kita tetap saling membantu gitu, bro. Pada saat membutuhkan.
Oke, itu termnya bakal beda ya, Mami Eci, nggak kayak gitu.
Ya.
Ya, itu Bhinneka Tunggal Ika ya, nggak gitu ya.
Oke. We are different but one ya. Means
although we are different, but we are
different but one. Is that right? No, not right. Also.
Kayaknya nggak itu deh, ada kalimat lain.
Even we are indifferent, but we are one.
Okay, Bro Evan, you can turn off your camera. Okay. Please continue. Aduh, kok gini? In our group, Mami Eci and Bro Evan are Bataknis, they don't like. Maksudnya apa? They don't like their tradition is only at traditional marriage ceremonies. Maksudnya apa itu? What do you mean by that? They don't like their...
Maksudnya itu ada tradisi yang nggak disukain, yaitu tradisi yang nggak disukai itu hanya pada waktu upacara perkawinan gitu loh. Apa ya caranya?
Kan bisa
upacara perkawinan. Ya.
The
Hanya
traditional,
iya.
Bisa diginin aja. The traditional marriage ceremonies is the tradition that Mami Eci and Bro Evan don't like. Nah, begitu aja.
Oke.
Halo, can you hear my voice?
Yes.
Yeah,
Yes,
we can hear
we
it.
can.
Yes.
Okay, and then itu baru digantiin full stop. It is because it usually takes 2 up to 3 hours to finish the custom ceremony. Okay, Isigi from this tribe is known for her famous foods like. Okay, fun fact ya. If you write the Indonesian word or English word, misalnya kayak kita nulis kata bahasa Inggris di dalam paragraf Indonesia atau sebaliknya, itu harus harus tulisannya miring, karena itu kan bahasa Indonesia.
Oke. Yang rendang sate padangnya itu ya, Bro ya?
Ya, sampai ikan asam pade.
Iya. Oke.
Dari from Indramayu in Java has traditional dance. Oke. Ini mungkin Indramayu has a traditional dance which is called.
Which is called mark dancing.
Which is called?
Which is yang disebut.
D-nya nggak pakai ya, Bro ya? D-nya hilang ya? Which is called aja.
Nggak bisa kok itu. Which is called mask dance.
Oke.
Full stop. It is usually performed at specific events. Pasti Siska, who is of Chinese descent, celebrates many traditions. Okay, we are different, but we are always. Oke, kayaknya yang but we always hope to support each other ini nggak masuk materi ini ya. Udah masuk materi yang kemarin, yang if I were.
Oh, enggak ya?
Enggak. Karena kan itu kan yang to infinitive. Itu nggak ada kemarin di materi kita.
Oh, oke. Oh, jadinya if I were ya aja ya, Bro ya? If I were aja ya yang masuknya.
If I were aja, I wish.
Oke.
Selanjutnya, Sis Vivi, please. This group we will be able to become kind people if we were to blah blah blah. We can introduce. Reality we love each other, which is okay. In reality we love each other, which is something many people do not have. Maksudnya apa?
Ini tuh kayak kita saling menyayangi satu sama lain, jadi nggak semua orang itu bisa kayak gitu loh, Bro. Intinya kayak gitu.
Okay, in reality we love each other. Full stop. Not all the not apa no ya? Kayaknya no deh. No all people have it. Not all people have it. Udah gitu doang. And then we are proud of our tribes in every situation. And if we had blah blah blah, we would have visited other. Aduh, kenapa pakai ini? We would have visited. Kalau teman-teman nggak tahu fungsinya, jangan dulu ya. We would have blah blah blah. Kan udah dibilangin jangan. Dan ini tuh juga jatuhnya bukan ini. And if we had the opportunity to travel, we would have visited blah blah blah. Ini tuh conditional sentence type 3. Conditional sentence type 3 itu tentang penyesalan. Teman-teman menyesal mau bantu satu sama lain. Atau mau tahu sama. And if we had blah blah blah, itu jatuhnya penyesalan kalau di conditional sentence. Makanya saya kemarin kan. Oke, dan saya tidak melihat, I don't see the past tense here. I think your paragraph is about fact. Oke ya, cuma satu materi yang kurang. Oke, nah oke, thank you for group 2.
Thank you, Bro.
Thank you.
Okay,
Thank you for correction.
Yeah, you can turn off your camera ya, group 2.
Okay.
Now group 3 is who's gonna share screen? Please turn on your camera ya, group 3. Ya. Siapa aja group 3 kemarin? Lupa lagi.
Sis Titi.
Yang mau share screen siapa?
Romesa.
Romesa.
Hai.
Hai.
Turn on kamera ya. Anggota-anggota grup 3.
Mana ini?
Mau dibantu lagi?
Yang bisa bantu PowerPoint-nya.
Okay, you can send to our group.
This.
Already? Okay, wait a second.
Thank you, sis.
Okay. Go ahead.
Oke, langsung aja ya. Udah siap semuanya?
Ya,
Ready.
Yes. Hi everyone, we are in group 3, including me, Titi, Sis Melda, Bro Iman, Bro Diki, and Bro Mesa. We will explain about our hobbies, which are differently and uniquely in each members. Next. Okay. Firstly, I'm Titi Sugiyarti. Exactly, I have many hobbies. One of them, which is lately, I often do giveaway hunting on Instagram almost every day. I really enjoy to do it because it makes me challenging and exactly I can get everything what I want, which were such clothes, bags, and even I ever got free several vouchers vacation at hotel, villa, and resort. And currently, I want to give away and got free vouchers vacation at Paku Haji Eco Resort Highland, Bandung. Honestly, I have one giveaway on Instagram more than 100 times. If you want to be the next winner giveaway like me, so you must be active user on Instagram for the period of giveaway runs, which is you have to like, comment, and reshare on your Instagram story as much as possible to get higher opportunity at the winner. Next. Okay, next.
Meanwhile, Sis Melda really enjoys traveling because she can get many new experiences, meet many people with various characters and different cultures. Then she can taste many unique dishes in several places which were visited. Since August 27, 2024, until now, she has traveled to several cities such as Bengkulu, Tangerang, Medan, Jakarta, Bogor. Then she just has returned to Medan. Her next destination is Padang, West Sumatra, which has a great culture, especially in Tanah Minang. She hopes she's always stay healthy and can get a lot of money so that she can go around the world.
And then Bro Iman has different hobby than the other man commonly is cooking. Anyway, when he was child around 12, 15 years old, which was the first time he cooked with his grandmother. They cooked some of Betawi's traditional foods such as gabus pucung, nasi padang, nasi uduk, maaf, sayur asam, etc. After that, he was excited and interested in cooking. However, since he worked solely, he rarely cooked when he got free time and had a good mood. He usually cooks once in a week. His imagination, if he joined the MasterChef competition, probably he would be one participant of MasterChef Indonesia.
Next.
Anyway, Bro Diki has a great hobby is writing. He has been inspired with a writing which was written by a great writer who could motivate a lot of readers, including him. As we know, reading can elevate more knowledge because basically the writer has provided the knowledge for many people. He realized that writing can influence many people according by the writer's purpose. If he wasn't lazy, he wanted to write many books that would be great, smart human.
First one.
Bro Mesa hobbies is playing a games. He really enjoyed to do it because it is one of way for him to entertain himself when he was bored and wait for something to do for some people. For some people, maybe this hobby is less useful, but actually it can be profitable and can make money. A few months ago, I played a game which based on digital currency, or we call cryptocurrency, and for free, and managed to make and earn 5 million rupiah last time. It was his amazing experience.
Thank you.
Thank you for listening.
That's enough from group 3.
Halo. Okay. Sis Vivi, please go to the first. No, this one. Oh, wait. We will explain about our hobbies, which are different. Wait. We'll explain about our hobbies, which are differently and uniquely. Okay, what do you mean by that? Which are differently and uniquely in each members. Halo.
Yang berbeda.
Mungkin masih menjelaskan tentang
Halo bro, ya.
berbeda dan unik. Hobi yang berbeda dan unik.
Oke,
Dari
kok jadi adverb? Adverb apa adjektif itu kira-kira?
Harusnya different ya, jangan pakai li ya.
Ya, itu adjektif ya.
Oh iya, maaf bro.
Adjektif, uniquely juga itu harusnya adjektif bukan adverb. Itu for each members.
Unique.
Which are different, different and unique for each member. Nggak pakai S.
For each member.
Nggak bisa diedit, wes. Please continue. Sis Vivi. Okay, meanwhile, Sis Melda really enjoys.
Ada sebelum ini sis
Firstly, I'm Giarti. Exactly. I have many hobbies. One of them, which is lately, I often. Okay, kenapa which is lately I often do? Go, blah blah blah. Kenapa nggak gini aja? One of them, I often. What is it? Sebentar.
Oh, akhir-akhir ini maksudnya.
Okay, lately, one of them, I often do. Lately, I often do. One of them, I often do. Oke, maksudnya giveaway hunting. Oke, I often do. Udah tuh bisa bilang like giveaway hunting on blah 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 almost every day. I really enjoy doing it. Bukan to do it, doing it. Because it makes me challenging. Ini kenapa
membuatku tertantang gitu.
Iya. Itu harusnya jadi pasif ya, challenge.
It makes me challenge.
Kalau challenging berarti sis Titi yang menantang.
Oh gitu. Oh pakai ide ya, belakangnya ide ya, challenge.
And exactly, I can get everything what I wanted. Which were shoes. Oke, what I wanted. Oke, ini nggak ada titik komanya ya?
Ada bro.
Ini kenapa nggak full stop?
Ada.
It makes me challenge, and exactly I can get everything what I wanted. Koma, which were shoes, bla bla bla. Itu harusnya nggak pakai NN gini sih. Ini kalau, aduh, bingung saya. Wait. Ini
Bisa di situ ya bro ya.
Nah, itu harusnya ada yang dititik-titikin ini. Kalau kayak gini, ini bukan jadi paragraf jatuhnya nanti. Even I got free, Oke, ini kan ever ya. Bagusnya ini pakai jadi present perfect ya. Even I have ever got free several vouchers staycation at hotel villa blah blah blah. Suddenly I want to give away and got free voucher staycation at Wakuji blah blah blah. Honestly, I have one giveaway on Instagram more than wow. If you want to be the next winner giveaway like me, so you must be active user on Instagram for period. Periode Indonesia ini. The period of giveaway runs. The period of giveaway run. The period. Itu bahasa Indonesia.
Oh,
which
jadi
is you have to the period nya dihilangin. Which you have to, nggak pakai is, which you have to start by.
which you
you
have to.
yeah, which you have to spam like, comment, reshare on your Instagram story as much as possible to get a high opportunity at the winner. Okay. Please go to the next one. Meanwhile, si Melda really enjoys traveling. Ini kenapa ngegas? Traveling. Okay. Ini because you get many,
Gas ya.
you can
Gas gitu.
many meet many people of various and different cultures.
Di Padang. Nasi uduk.
Then she can taste. C-nya di situ nggak kapital ya. Then you can taste many unique dishes in several places which is are visited. Since August, oke tadi si Smelda juga salah. August of
Apa tuh?
27th. August of itu nggak di. Kalau penanggalannya benar, penulisannya benar, tapi pengucapannya August of.
Oh, August of 27 ya. 27 lanjut tahunnya 2024.
Pokoknya di pengucapannya August of bla bla bla.
Oh, August of.
August of gitu ya, bro.
Dia tuh success-nya nggak perlu tambah titik koma ya.
Oh, itu Indonesia ya.
Iya, jadi banyak, jadi dapat ini ilmu baru ya. Jadi jangan pakai titik koma.
Itu dance, oke, C-nya di situ nggak capital.
Yang mana bro? Yang bukan kapital yang mana?
Dan has returned. C-nya nggak jadi
capital.
Sini saya coret-coret deh. Bisa kelihatan nggak sih?
S-nya
ini capital. Itu ini kenapa nggak apa namanya has just has. The next destination Padang which is has. Kenapa which is has? Ini salah.
Mana? Harusnya which has. Oh, isinya jangan ya. Aduh, suka bingung, bro.
Ini tanah Pinang kenapa nggak di kapital semua? Ini kan nama pasti ya. She hopes she aware. Ini kenapa pakai S?
Oh iya.
Ini dikasih S juga sih. And can get a lot of money. So that
She always stays. Oh iya, kebalik ya. Oke.
Ini C-nya harus jadi biasa. She can go around the world. Oke?
Jadi C-nya dicoret jadi apa, bro?
Itu maksudnya nggak kapital, maaf.
Pakai huruf S-nya huruf kecil.
Ya.
S-nya huruf kecil.
Oh iya. Oke. Boleh di screenshot dulu nggak sih, bro? Tadi soalnya kan nggak bisa di ini ya.
Tadi saya baru lupa, kira saya nggak bisa coret-coret, maaf ya. Untuk grup 1, grup 2.
Di screenshot dulu ya, bro ya.
Ya.
Yang sebelumnya juga belum di...
Iya, yang sebelumnya I'm sorry ya. Okay, let's go to the next part. Sis Vivi.
Aris Vivi.
Lanjut. Next.
Dan Bro Iman has forbidden. Ini kira-kira apa? Kalau ada kata different.
Different from.
Ya, different from. The other man, commonly the other man. Okay, the Hobbit, the other man.
Oh, jadi then-nya diganti from.
Ya. Ini maksudnya apa ya?
Kan cowok nggak banyak yang mau masak, bro. Jadi Bro Iman nih suka masak gitu.
Anyway,
dia beda dengan kehidupannya.
And he was a child around 25 years, which was the first time he cooked with his camera. They cooked some of the traditional foods.
Itu tuh habis diedit-edit, bro. Jadi huruf-hurufnya belum diubah.
Nasi Padang mana ya?
Nasi Padang.
Itu huruf miring semua ya.
Gila-gila.
Sorry.
Tahu nasi Padang.
Maaf. Saya kenapa nasi Padang? Saya
Ingatnya
grogi.
nasi
Maaf.
Padang.
Huruf miring semua ya. Ini juga nggak kayak gini. After
Harus
that,
dimiringin ya, karena bukan bahasa ini.
was excited and interested in cooking. However, since he worked, nggak perlu however deh ini kayak. Since he worked, surely he really cook when he got free time and had a good mood. He usually cook. Ini maksudnya apa, bro? Kenapa jadi past tense terus ada present tense? Ini ngomongin fakta apa, bro?
Kita tuh agak bingung gitu tuh ya bro ya. Soalnya kan di sini menggunakan usually. Jadi saya tuh ini tuh past tense atau present tense ya. Kan awalnya itu kan di kalimat sebelumnya itu kan past tense ya. He got free. And then sambungannya itu usually karena dia menggunakan usually. Jadi saya bingung ini
Dirubah apa enggak?
atau present tense gitu
Oke,
kan. Ada usually gitu.
teksnya kan oke, teman-teman, walaupun usually sama kalau adverb of frequency itu kan memang ini ya, pakai apa namanya? Pakai present tense, tapi itu bisa juga pakai past tense, tergantung konteks. Oke, his imagination. Nah, his imagination baru ini bisa apa namanya? Titik 2. If he joined, bahasa Jep, he probably would be. Ini bisa kok ditaruh sini. Ini enggak gini, pasti nomor saya di Indonesia. Oke.
He probably gitu. He probably will be. Oke.
Probably.
Jadi
Oke.
bro, kalau misalkan dalam satu kalimat itu ya, misalkan kalimat sebelumnya itu past tense, di kalimat berikutnya juga mengikuti past tense. Even ada keterangannya usually kayak gitu. Kan yang kita usually always tuh present tense.
Itu bergantung sis. Konteks kita di situ mau ngapain. Kalau misalnya sepanjang paragraf itu mau cerita tentang pasien, siap konsisten. Gitu.
Oke.
Siap.
Silakan dihapus. Silakan hapus. Please go to the next slide.
Itu belum di screenshot tadi apa deh.
Udah. Saya udah.
Berarti has a great hobby. Has a great OP. Oke, kenapa di sini nggak ditambah which is?
Yang mana?
Ini ditambah which is. He has been. Maksudnya apa nih? Dia diinspirasi. Apa terinspirasi?
Terbabar.
Ini bisa kok diganti jadi pasif biasa. Gak perlu pakai ini. He is inspired. He is inspired for the writing song. Ini maksudnya apa ya? Ini maksudnya apa bro konteksnya? What is the context? Karena kalau udah ada pasif itu harus ditambah kata by.
Kata apa?
Harus ditambah kata by. Atau enggak, kalau nggak ada subjek bisa sih. Cuma ini, what is the context of this sentence?
Inspired. Terinspirasi dengan sebuah tulisan.
By.
By.
Oh. Be inspired by
Writing. Berarti ini bisa full stop. Itu ganti. It was written by a great writer who could motivate a lot of readers, including him. As we know, reading can elevate more knowledge because basically the writer has provided the knowledge for many people. He realizes that writing can influence many people according blah blah blah. If he wasn't lazy, he wanted to write many books that would be creative. Yep. If oke. Ini kayaknya if he wasn't lazy. Jadi faktanya lazy ya, nggak apa-apa.
Mm-mm.
It makes sense. Ini kenapa would create?
Terusnya.
Would not would be create. Sebentar. Oh ya, sebentar. Maaf. If he wasn't lazy, he wanted to write many books that would create. Smart human. Ngapain smart human? Manusia cerdas. Ganti aja people. Oke.
Bro,
Ini enggak sih? Paragraf
boleh
terakhir.
dikirim ke grup tapi berupa teks biasa. Kan kalau ini kan susah untuk dikoreksi. Kalau bro berkenan, boleh minta waktunya yang apa sih tugas dari grup 3, teks yang versi biasanya, nanti ada apa tuh namanya koreksi gitu bro.
Oke, teman-teman boleh kirim paragrafnya tapi besok malam ya. Saya
Oke bro.
Oke, bro.
Besok ada kelas juga sama ada acara
Pokoknya biar
apa
biar
namanya?
kita
Pementasan.
pengetahuan gitu.
Iya, iya. Oke, teman-teman bisa upload itunya ya. Apa? Upload kirim. Aduh, maaf ya. Otak sih udah kemana-mana. Oke, first of all, I want to say thank you very much.
Sorry, bro. I'm waiting Miss Pipi singing.
Oh iya, Miss Pipi.
Ya. Aduh, hampir lupa. Ya, Miss Pipi. Udah 20 hari
kita.
Kita udah nunggu 20 hari.
Well, Miss Pipi. Kita
Ini dia belum
juga
selesai deh.
rayu.
Back apa tuh back?
Bro Rofiknya langsung nge-freeze.
Sis.
Suaraku jelas nggak?
Kecil, you small. No. You smile. Sing small.
Hah?
Low.